this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your email on TikTok. If this video helps you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you wish to switch to a new email account on TikTok, first go ahead and log in with your current email, or if you can't remember the email, you can go ahead and log in with your username. Once you are logged in, go to profile here, and from profile you should see now the menu bar here. Tap on it. From here, go to settings and privacy, and then go to account. Now under account, look for account information, and then here you will be able to see your email that you are currently using. So if you tap on it, now here you have an option to change. As you can see, the first and the last letters of your email are displayed here. So you have an option either to unlink this email or to change the email. For you to change the email, choose this option, change email, and here you'll be able to enter the new email on your TikTok account. However, you have to remember that if you change it, it may still be retained for account recovery purposes. So that's how you can change your email on TikTok. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.